Good morning, fourth graders. We're on lesson 13. We're almost done with the decimals, and this is just one page today, so we should be able to just knock it out real quickly. Objective is to add decimal numbers by converting to fraction form. So we should know how to do that, but let's get some practice in, okay? We're going to go to the homework page. There it is. Okay. Solve. Convert tenths to hundredths before finding the sum. Rewrite the complete number sentence in decimal form. So these are partially completed for you. Okay. So 5 and 2 tenths. There's 5 and 2 tenths. Plus 7 hundredths. There's 7 hundredths. Now, it says to convert tenths to hundredths. So you could just put 5.20 to make it 20 hundredths. You can just do that right away. And then I guess they already have that here in the fraction form. So they say, okay, 5 and 2 tenths is 5 and 20 hundredths. So this is equivalent to this mixed number. And then you can add them because they're both in hundredths. And I believe you would end up with 5 and 27 hundredths, which in decimal form is 5.27. So this is also partially done for you, except for in this case it looks like they added the 5 and the 3 first of all to make 8. So you could do it that way, I mean whatever. And then the main thing is that you convert tenths to hundredths. So 2 tenths is equivalent to 20 hundredths. And so you add that to the 7 hundredths and you end up with 8 and 27 hundredths, which here would be 8.27. So let's take a look at C, which is not done for us at all. And we'll say 6 and 5 tenths plus 1 hundredth. So we're going to pop back over to this screen. Let's go down here and say 6 and 5 tenths plus, I already forgot, plus 1 hundredth, okay? So that's as a fraction. And then we got to convert tenths to hundredths, so we might as well just do that now. 5 tenths, what is that in hundredths? 50 hundredths, right? Yeah. Well, let's do it. You got to add hundredths to hundredths, right? 6 and, let's put a little more space in between those. 6 and 50 hundredths plus 1 hundredths equals, well, we still got 6. And then we got 51 hundredths. Oh my gosh. Boom. Okay. Right as a decimal. Let's do it up here. 6 and 50. Oh gosh. 6 and 50 hundredths plus 1 hundredths equals, we're going to add those two, all right? 6 and 51 hundredths. Let's do one more. Okay. 6 and 5 tenths plus 7 and 1 hundredths. Well, once again, 5 tenths. That's 50 hundredths, right? So we add the 6 and the 7, and we get, I guess we'll go over here. That's not the one. Oh man, how do I forget? How does that even happen? Okay. So we're doing the same thing except for now we're saying 6 and 5 tenths. We'll go take that back. Plus 1 hundredth, except for now we're saying it's plus 7 and 1 hundredth, right? So we once again convert 5 tenths to 50 hundredths. And so now we can do it. We say 6 plus 7 is 13, so 7 ones.